Menteri Sorkar Pdeng ubadipet yakatnat civil aviation Uram Mohon Naidu kinjarapu mentagasngi ula banjur halor kajing donkam ban le Burom yakin Nongïalam jong ki Jaitbynriew riulum ki bale khun ban penek pensa yala ka kolshor ya ka riti dostur tenrai ya ki hok ba kajing Laitluid da ka ba kubur ya ka benta ka ba kongsan baki riulum ki don haki khana Pdeng bat ha kajing Laitluid kari India. Ulakran yakini kentien hakasngi rakhe yaka janjatia gorof devas bala pelong dagatnat Ministry of Tribal Affairs sapok State Convention Center hagajuk kapo katnat Arts and Culture mentagasngi kala rakhe yaka janjatia devas hasketrian kene kadai kasngi rakhe yaka linghu sngi kha jong u Bhagwan Birsa Munda Nongïalam Jaitbynriew riulum ubadeiru Nongïaleh Laitluid hakabaki khana Pdeng jong u ki Pdeng ban ai mensiam agan kasngi ka Jylla kalakan mau Burom ru ya ka jingno senyang ki babun jong ki Nongïaleh Laitluid ki bapau kum utirot sing ukyang nangba upi patugan sangma ka pannong lait bat kiwe.
So apart from honoring the contributions of
we are taking inspiration from our ancestors, from the leaders that have fought for the freedom, from the leaders who have inspired us to work for the people in the service of the people, and we are going to continue in the future. And I especially coming here to the northeast and being able to participate in the Janjatia Gaurav Divas because I come from state of Andhra Pradesh, which is the southern part of India, and I also in my constituency Srikakulam, I have certain tribal population. It's a good fortune of mine to be in the state of Meghalaya celebrating this day in front of so many tribal brothers and sisters.
Today we have moved closer where we should know, our children and future generations should know about our own real hearts of this land of ours. So it's a very significant event, and also the fact that it celebrates the sense of freedom that we as proud tribals would always espouse.
Menteri katnat civil aviation